If you've ever looked at a Disney cruise and wondered what's actually included and what costs extra, you're not alone. Cruises can be confusing, and Disney has some surprising inclusions that a lot of first-timers don't know about. So today we're breaking down everything that comes with your cruise fare, plus everything that might require a little extra budget, so you can plan with confidence before you sail. And if you're into Disney travel content or cruise planning tips, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. Alright, let's dive in with things that are included in your cruise fare. Number 1 is accommodations and housekeeping. Your stateroom's included, of course, but Disney also takes care of daily housekeeping and evening turn-down service. Your room gets refreshed, your bed gets made, and yes, towel animals often make an appearance. It's a small touch, but it's very Disney. Next is food and dining. Disney's famous for their rotational dining, and it's fully included. Each night, you and your party rotate through different themed restaurants, and the servers follow you so they get to know the things that you like, and by the end of your trip, might even feel like friends. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and the pool deck quick service spots are all included too. And yes, of course, there's soft serve ice cream. That alone could justify the price for some people. Another nice perk that's included is room service, which means breakfast, late night snacks, or even cookies delivered to your door. This is something that a lot of other cruise lines charge for, so it's a great perk that's included with your cruise fare. Then we have beverages. Soda, coffee, tea, water, lemonade, and juice are included when you get them from the dining rooms or the drink stations on the pool deck. This next inclusion is where Disney really stands out. Entertainment. Broadway-style stage shows, first-run Disney movies, themed parties on deck, character meet and greets, and even fireworks at sea on select sailings. These are all included with your fare. No show tickets needed, no theater upcharges, and no weird seat selection add-ons. Just more flexibility for you to enjoy the amazing entertainment on board. Recreation and activities. Pools and splash areas? Included. Water slides like the Aqueduct or Aqua Mouse? Included. Mini golf, sports courts, trivia games, karaoke, family game shows, all of that included. Kids clubs are included too. Oceaneer Club and Lab are for the younger cruisers, and Edge and Vibe for the tweens and teens. And last, private island access. If your itinerary includes Disney's Castaway Cay or Disney's Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point, Disney includes beach access, loungers, umbrellas, and the delicious island barbecue lunch. So you can enjoy the private island experience without breaking your budget. Alright, now for the part that can sneak up on you. What's not included? If you'd like to add any of these things to your cruise vacation, just make sure you budget for them. That way you're not left with unexpected charges at the end. Number 1, alcohol and specialty drinks. Alcoholic drinks, specialty coffees, bottled water, smoothies, and mocktails are extra. Disney also offers beverage tastings like tequila classes or mixology workshops, and those come with a fee as well. But let me tell you, I highly recommend the mixology class. It was so worth it and so much fun. Next up, specialty dining and premium treats. The adult-only restaurants, Paolo, Remy, Paolo Steakhouse, and Enchante are an upcharge, but they're absolutely beautiful if you're looking for a date night at sea. Certain dessert shops and cafes are extra too, depending on the ship. Then we have gratuities. Disney automatically adds gratuities for your dining team and stateroom host to your onboard account unless you choose to prepay them. You'll also see gratuities added to bar service, spa treatments, and beverage tastings. If room service brings food to your room, tipping is also customary. Speaking of spa services, the spa, salon, and some fitness classes cost extra. The Rainforest Room, which is a thermal spa with heated stone chairs and different sauna experiences, is a paid pass as well. Next, we have shore excursions. Any port adventures are extra. Think of things like snorkeling, cultural tours, boat rides, and dolphin encounters. At Disney's private islands, premium experiences also cost extra. These are things like bike and snorkel rentals, cabanas, and the Stingray Adventure. Then we have premium experiences aboard the ship. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique makeovers, Royal Court Royal Tea, professional photography packages, all extra. Unlike the Kids Club, that It's a Small World nursery for children 6 months to 3 years is a paid service. It's a great option if parents want some adult time, but you'll want to plan and budget for it in advance since space is limited. Next, Wi-Fi is not included. Packages are sold based on data usage, so it's helpful to budget ahead for how connected you actually want to be. Keep in mind that you don't need Wi-Fi to use the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app while on the ship. If you need transportation, parking, and travel insurance, those are not included in your cruise fare, so anything getting to and from the ship is on you. And finally, the most dangerous part of a Disney cruise, for me anyway, is the merch and souvenirs. Limited edition merchandise, cruise-specific items, collectibles, they're all extra, all extremely tempting, and all a great way to rack up your bill. Now, before we wrap up this video, let's talk about some gray area items that always confuse first-timers. So here's a quick lightning round. Soda is free from dining rooms and drink stations, but not when you order it from a bar server. Character meet and greets are included, but not the photos that they take of you. Room service food is included, but tipping the delivery person is expected. So that wraps up the full breakdown of what comes with a Disney cruise and what you'll want to budget extra for. The nice part is that you can have an amazing vacation just by enjoying everything that's included. Or you can upgrade selectively for adult dining, cabanas, spa time, or shore excursions. Either way, you'll never run out of things to do on a Disney cruise. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Or share what you think is the most worth it on a Disney cruise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.